Myself Madan from Credo Systems. A quick reference about Selenium with Java course coverage and its duration. Let's start with the course duration. For weekdays batch, it will be 3.5 months with daily 1 hour of session. And for weekend, it's going to be 4 months with 2 hour of session on Saturday and Sunday. Let's see the course design. The first 1.5 months, we will be focusing on core Java, followed by 1 month for Selenium core, and last 1 month we are completely going to focus on the frameworks. In addition to this course, we will be using Maven as a project management tool, Git as a version controlling, GitHub or Bitbucket as a source code management, and Jenkins as CI/CD tool. Let me quickly show you what are all topics that I covered for the existing batch. So on a day one, we are going to start from the basics, which is installation of Java, and followed by explanation about JDK, what are all components which will be coming with JDK, and how to install Eclipse, how to write a basic program in Eclipse, how to execute it, followed by data types, variables. So all the basics into the interim level, something like constructor, this keyword, this method, and to the advanced level, something like interface, abstract, enumeration, regular expressions, collections, interacting with the property file, interacting with the JSON database, Excel, exception handling, and end up with threadings. So you can see day 35 is going to be end of core Java, and then we are going to continue with the version controlling as well as GitHub, both Git and GitHub. And on a followed days, we are going to start with the Selenium intro and architecture, and then Selenium WebDriver, what all frameworks are available, what is modular framework, how to implement it, locators, all different types of locators, then web elements, all web elements, something like text box, option button, drop down, web table, calendar options, all the web elements which is presented in the web page. Then the different types of synchronization which is available, something like explicit wait, page load time, implicit wait. Then how to switch to the frame, how to switch to the window or tab, how to switch to the alert, then how to interact with JSON, property file, Excel, and we are going to spend some time in data-driven frameworks, then how to take the screenshots from the driver level or from the web element level, or how to take the full screenshots during a failure, and how to generate the reports using extent report, then what all types of frameworks are available. I mean, the popular framework, something like BDD. So with Cucumber, we are going to spend nearly 4 days from the basics until the advanced. Then we are going to continue with the TestNG frameworks for our next 7 days. So from the basics until the advanced. Then we are going to start writing a framework from the scratch. We are going to spend 6 days from the basics, and we are going to drive until the advanced level of frameworks design. And finally, we'll be ending up with the Selenium grid and then Jenkins. In Jenkins, we are going to see a different ways of triggering a job, something like manual trigger, then schedule trigger, then whenever there is a code changes happening in our repository, so automatic trigger. So end to end, we are going to cover it in Jenkins. Finally, we are going to end up with complete recap as well as the interview tips. So the highlight of this course will be on a daily basis, we will be having an assignment and the interview questions discussion from the topics which we covered previous day. Number two, this practice, the complete Selenium practice session will be happening in different portals. So we are going to interact a minimum of 10 different applications. Example, Flipkart, Amazon, eBay, HDFC, ClickBus, UI banks, etc. etc. Number three, we are going to develop a framework from the scratch with two flavors. One is BDD with page object model, and another one is TestNG with page object model. And last final one is we will be arranging a 3 mockups. So one will be at the end of Java session and two will be at the end of Selenium session. So this is all about the course. Thank you guys.